Hello, boys and girls. It is good to see all of you today. It is Tuesday, May 5th. This is Fido Day 31. And we are going to be working in our books on pages 903, 904, and 905 today. And you are going to complete page 907, take a picture of it, and email it to me, amanda.steve@westernbeaver.org. So pages 903, 904, 905. If you'll get your book out, we can begin. Today we're going to just look at what is a polygon and what is not a polygon. A polygon is a closed figure. That means that there's no openings or gaps. Made up of line segments. Line segments are straight lines, and they do not cross each other. Those line segments cannot cross each other. So look at these examples that are polygons. See how none of them have a gap in them, and all of them are made from straight lines. Take a look at not polygons. Ovals and circles, they are not made from straight lines. The orange figure there has a huge gap in it at the top. The green one has, again, two lines, the top and the bottom, that are not straight lines. They're wavy. And this one right here has two line segments and they cross each other. Now, had it just been this, the blue triangle there that I'm making by covering up the top part, it would be a polygon, but it's not. Even the even the black figure that is around this is not a polygon, because see how the corners are rounded instead of nice sharp points. Let's take a look at example 1. The building shown is the Pentagon right there. It's in Washington, D.C. Describe the sides of the figure formed by the red outline. Does the red outline form a polygon? So let's decide first. Is it closed? Yeah, there's no gaps. Are all of the sides nice straight line segments? They look like it to me. See, they're talking about the red outline here. That's what we're focusing on. How many sides are there? How many line segments make up the figure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to record that here, that there are 5 sides. Do any of them cross each other? No. And there's no gaps. This is a polygon, boys and girls, this pentagon figure. Take a look at some more specific information. A regular polygon is a polygon with congruent sides and congruent angles. Congruent sides are equal in length. Congruent angles have the same degree measure. Congruent means equal, same shape, same exact size. And a regular polygon, all of the sides are congruent and all of the angles are congruent. So take a look at this example 2. The top and the bottom here appear to be a bit bigger. They're a little bit longer than the other 4 sides. Are all 6 sides of the polygon congruent? No, because the top and the bottom, we said, are a little bit longer. It is not a regular polygon. A good example of a regular polygon would be a square, because all 4 sides are congruent and all 4 angles measure 90 degrees. Take a look at this chart. Polygons are a subcategory of two-dimensional figures. A subcategory is a division that has common characteristics within a larger category. So let's take a look at this first polygon. It's a triangle. There are 3 sides on every single triangle. When the three sides are equal, like they are right here in this first one, it's a regular triangle. When the three sides are not equal, like in this one, it's not regular. They want you to draw we're not going to do this part because we already have two good examples, I'm sorry. Look at the quadrilateral. A quadrilateral has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. In this example, this first one here, the quadrilateral is regular. All 4 sides are equal, and all 4 angles are equal. The second picture here is not regular. I believe probably the 4 sides are equal, but the 4 angles are not equal. This angle and this angle, if you look at it, are much more narrow than this angle and this angle. This angle and this angle are acute angles, but this angle and this angle are obtuse. They're a little bit wider than 90 degrees. But there are 4 sides in both of them, so they're both quadrilaterals. This one's a regular quadrilateral, this one is not. Let's look at what a regular pentagon looks like. 5 sides all equal, 5 angles all equal. A not regular pentagon could look something like this, where 3 of the sides are much shorter than the other 2. Either way, they both have 5 sides. The first one is a regular, the second one is not regular. Let's look at the hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. They both have 6 sides. This one, the 6 sides are all equal, and the 6 angles are all equal. This one, the 6 sides are not equal. These 2 and these 2, these 4 are probably equal, but the top and the bottom are much longer. This one is regular, this one is not regular. And our last one, our octagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. This one has 8 sides. They both have 8 sides. However, the 8 sides here are equal along with the 8 angles, whereas the 8 sides here are not equal. This one is not regular. This one is regular. Let's take a look at number 1. Name the polygon. Determine if it appears to be regular or not regular. This polygon, if you count it, has 8 sides. Let's go up to the regular octagon. It has 8 sides. Does the regular octagon and this look the same? It sure does. Sides here appear to be equal, so it is a regular octagon. Let's look at number 2. Number 2, 4 sides. Does it look like the regular quadrilateral? What about if we tilt it? Now do they look the same? I think so. It looks like the regular quadrilateral. Look at number 3. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go over 6. Hexagon. Does it look like a regular hexagon? That's a regular hexagon. What do you think about that? It does not. This is not regular hexagon. And you can see that I'm abbreviating regular, not regular. Let's look at number 4. 4 sides. Let's go over to where there's 4 sides. Does it look like the regular quadrilateral? It sure does. This is a regular quadrilateral. And number 5, again, there's 8 sides. Go over to the 8. Does it look like the octagon that's regular? It sure does. Regular octagon. Tonight's homework, boys and girls, 907. Vocab check, 2 shapes. Send it to me via email, amanda.steve@westernbeaver.org. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye.